Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you sitting on years of valuable knowledge and skills? Maybe you've picked them up working for a big company, a small business, or even through side gigs and social work. Have you ever thought, I could be doing this for myself? If you're feeling that itch, that pull to be your own boss and build something from the ground up, then you've come to the right place. This course is your roadmap to transforming your expertise into a thriving consulting business. We're not talking about creating products or managing inventory here. We're talking about monetizing what you already know. Think about it. Software consulting, project management, tax and accounting services, real estate advising, specialized medical skills, counseling, independent marketing, the list goes on and on. If you have a skill that people need, you can build a business around it. Over the next several lectures, I'm going to walk you through the essential steps to launch and manage your own consulting company. We'll start with the big question: what does it really take to be an entrepreneur? We'll explore the mindset, the drive, and the resilience you'll need to succeed. From there, we'll get into the nitty-gritty. In our second lecture, we'll cover the basics you need to check off your list before you even start. Then, we'll tackle a crucial decision: why incorporate? We'll break down the different business structures like sole proprietorship, LLC, or S Corp, so you can choose the one that's right for you. While our examples will focus on California, the principles we discuss apply across the United States. Next, we'll navigate the world of government requirements. We'll demystify federal requirements and then look at how to work effectively with both state and federal agencies. Understanding these rules from the start can save you a world of headaches later on. Of course, no business can run without a solid handle on its finances and technology. We'll dedicate a lecture to setting up your financial foundation and choosing the right tech tools to make your life easier. This will lead us directly into practical, hands-on sessions. I'll show you how to use accounting software to track your income and expenses, and how to manage payroll software, whether you're a one-person show or looking to hire. Then, we'll dive into the part everyone loves: getting paid. We'll cover the entire billing and receiving process, from creating professional invoices to making sure the money actually lands in your bank account. Cash flow is king, and we'll make sure you know how to manage it. As your business grows, so does the paperwork, but don't worry, we'll break it down into manageable monthly, quarterly, and annual tasks. I'll give you a system to stay organized and on top of your obligations, so you can focus on what you do best: consulting. Finally, we'll bring it all together. Our last lecture is all about running your business like a well-oiled machine. We'll talk about creating systems and processes that allow your company to operate smoothly and efficiently, freeing you up to think about growth and strategy. Now, a quick disclaimer: this course is packed with practical guidance, but it's not a substitute for professional legal, tax, or accounting advice. Laws and regulations change, so it's always a smart move to consult with a CPA or an attorney for your specific situation. I'm so excited to go on this journey with you. You have the skills. You have the drive. Now, it's time to build the business you've always dreamed of. Let's get started. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single lecture in this series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the first lesson.